Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to make a simple breakfast snack in the morning. So yeah, I'm not talking too much, I'm gonna jump right into the intro, then we're gonna kick it off.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So my people, these are my ingredients I'm using for my breakfast snack. Here I have 3 ripe bananas, which is ripe bananas, okay? So 3 ripe bananas in this bowl. I already peeled them, so the video could be more shorter. Here I have some raisin, I have some granola. I'm gonna use some Fosca oats. I'm gonna use a little bit of brown sugar. I have some cinnamon powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, some vanilla, and a pinch of nutmeg powder. And here I have some almond milk. So first, now I'm gonna mix all this in my food processor blender. So first I'm going to add the bananas. I'm gonna add my raisin. That should be enough. My granola, all of it. My pepper. Now I'm going to add my oats. I'm gonna add like roughly 2 tablespoons. That should be it. So now, pinch of cinnamon powder. Remember, you can't put cinnamon in, a lot of cinnamon in nothing you make. It will take over it. Pinch of nutmeg powder. About a teaspoon of vanilla, not too much. Teaspoon. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. Probably. So now we're gonna blend all these ingredients together and power up and start on low. Some pepper. I'm gonna add just a little pinch of brown sugar, not too much. See? Just like a teaspoon. Some pepper. I finished to blend. So now I'm going to bake them in. I'm going to bake this in the oven for like 15 minutes. I already have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. So now I'm going to spray this a little bit with some palm spray. So now this is how it looks. So when it finished, I'm going to cut it with the pizza cutter. I'm going to cut lines so I could have them individual. So now we're going to pop this in the oven for 50 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, make it cool down. As soon as it cool down, then I cut it. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. So this is how it looks before I go in the oven. I'm going to pop it in here for 50 minutes. My breakfast snack out the oven. So this is how it look. So I'm gonna put it to cool down before I cut it. So it's gonna take like 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. Soon as it cool down, I'm going to cut it with my pizza cutter. So my people, now my breakfast snack kind of cool down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it with the pizza cutter. So actually I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. It cut lean, so shit, it's fine. So just cut it like this. It's not too cool, as in, but this is it. So when it properly cool, you could have one of this in the morning, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. You're gonna love this. It smells so good. It tastes so good. I'm telling you, I make this all the time, so I decided to share my recipe. But I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. So the more ingredients you have is the more you could get out of it. You could make it more thicker. You could make it this is the thinnest I ever make it. So every morning I have like 1 or 2 of these. I ride my bike in the morning, so before I jump on the bike to work out, I eat 2 of these. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for a lot more videos. I have a lot more videos to come up. Peace out.